Xfinity Error Code RDK-10000 indicates a problem with the cable signal reaching your Xfinity set-top box, or STB. It means your box isn't getting a strong enough signal, or there's a disruption in the connection. This often appears on X1 boxes and can interrupt your viewing experience. Knowing this is the first step to fixing it. The easiest and often most effective first step is to power cycle your Xfinity box. Simply unplug the power cord from the back of the box or the wall for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for the box to restart. This resets the system and often clears up temporary signal glitches. Xfinity reports this resolves about 65% of cases. Keep in mind, some cases may require a technician. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of the RDK-1000 error. Make sure all cables connected to your Xfinity box are securely plugged in, including the coaxial cable, HDMI cable, and Ethernet cable if applicable. Check for any visible damage to the cables themselves. If possible, try swapping out cables with known good ones to rule out a faulty cable. Damaged or faulty connections are a common cause, so ensure they are well connected. Poor signal strength can trigger the RDK-1000 error. Cable TV systems measure signal power in decibel millivolts, or dBmV. The optimal range for reliable operation is between 97 dBmV and +7 dBmV. Signals outside this range may lead to connectivity issues and error codes. While you can't directly adjust the signal strength, knowing this range helps when explaining problems to Xfinity support or technicians. Xfinity offers a helpful troubleshooting tool in their mobile app. Open the app, navigate to the troubleshoot section, and follow the prompts. The app can automatically diagnose and often fix common issues, including RDK-1000. Xfinity reports that their AI-driven tool resolves around 70% of cases without needing a technician, which saves time and effort. If the app can't solve your issue, consider requesting technician support. Sometimes, other electronic devices can interfere with your Xfinity signal. Wi-Fi routers, especially older models, can cause signal noise. Try moving your Xfinity box away from other electronic devices. Also, consider using shielded coaxial cables to minimize interference. This is becoming increasingly important in smart homes with many IoT devices. If you've tried the above steps and are still getting the RDK-1000 error, it's time to contact Xfinity support. This could indicate a problem with the signal outside your home, such as an overloaded node or aging infrastructure, especially common in rural areas. Be prepared to provide them with details about the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Xfinity is moving towards more robust, wireless technologies to reduce signal errors. Projects like Project Quantum aim for fully wireless set-top boxes by 2030. Also, the expansion of fiber optic networks will replace vulnerable coaxial lines, which can prevent errors like RDK-1000. You may want to look into these future solutions as they develop over time.